I think if you actually want to grow your YouTube channel, it is better for you to know how to do a keyword research, because the benefit of doing a keyword research is that you will be able to know how people who are watching videos on the YouTube app and some other app like that, just the likes of Google, so many app out there, the way they are typing their keyword, how they are searching their video on this respective app. So if you know how to do all these kind of keywords, I think you will be able to get your channel to a larger amount of audience. So one thing you need to do is go to the YouTube app, go to the search bar and type in any kind of keyword. Let's say you want to do how to do keyword research. Just type in the keyword. Then you will look at the other options under your search. These are the kind of keywords we are talking about. These are very, very rich keywords. These keywords are the one that people are searching currently. You will see that yes, YouTube will suggest all these kind of keywords to you just because people are currently searching it. So one thing you need to do is just take your pen and book, write all these keywords down, and make a videos on them, or after making a video on this kind of keywords you have taken, you can put all these keywords inside your description so that anytime people come to the YouTube app, to search the type of videos, your video will be one of those that are ranked first. So that's why it is very, very important for you to know how to do a keyword research. And another way of getting a keyword research, the one that has high search volume, is for you to know how to do a keyword research on some apps like vidIQ and TubeBuddy. This kind of websites, they are there for you to rank the kind of keywords that people are currently searching. So if you go to vidIQ, I think type in all these keywords into their search tab bar, then you will find out that it will show you how many people are currently searching it. Millions of people, thousands of people, and billions of people searching this kind of keywords. So if you make videos on them, just imagine you make a videos for thousands, or let me say billions of people, and they watch, your channel is going to blow up. So this is how to get a keyword research for your YouTube. Don't take this keyword research for granted. This is very, very important. These are some of the ways you can use to continue to grow your YouTube channel, and as soon as possible you get monetized. So I said I should share these tips with you. If you find it very helpful, guys, I hope you subscribe to the channel and help me grow, so that yes, at least I can continue to upload more and more YouTube growth tips with you guys. So this is how to do a keyword research for your YouTube channel, so that yes, you can grow and reach large amounts of audience. Just imagine people who are browsing through Google just discover your videos and watch it. Just see the kind of traffic you will definitely get to watch your videos. So it is very, very important for you to know how to do this keyword research. Thank you, guys.